Good morning guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a very easy simple pancake as an example for chemical changes you are learning about in science class. Okay, so let's start. The ingredients you will need is actually only 4 things. First of all, I'm going to use a pancake mix like this. Then you will also need 180 milliliters of milk and an egg. And for cooking you will need some oil. That's all we need for now. And of course later for flavoring you can have anything else. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start to measure 200 grams of pancake mixture. It's basically a flour mixed with butter and salt. Right, so here we go. Turn on the digital scale. I want to make sure it's 200 grams, but in case you don't have one, I will measure it for you with teaspoons. I think it should be about 10 to 11 teaspoons to get 200 grams exactly. So here we go. Let's take out the pancake mixture. This is what it looks like. Right. There you go. So right now the scale is set to 0 grams. So I will keep adding tablespoons of flour mixture. So the first one is about 17 grams. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Each spoon is about 20 grams, so we will need about 10 or 11 spoons to get 200 grams. Okay, that's 198 grams. I like to make it accurate, so a little more. There you go, that's 200.1 grams. We are very accurate this time. Okay, I'll close that, keep it. This amount will be enough for about 7-8 pieces of pancakes, so that's an amount enough for about 2 kids, maybe. Okay, so for breakfast, it's a little breakfast food for you, pancakes. Right, the next thing I'm going to add is 180 milliliters of milk. Right. I like this UHT milk because it's exactly 180 milliliters. I don't need to measure it. I just pour 1 box of this in. Oh, here you go. There you go. It's all in. Okay, and the last thing you will need is an egg. You need to pour it in. Right, I don't need the scale anymore, so I'll keep it. Okay, so here we go. You hit the egg to the edge of the bowl like this, and then you break it up and pour it in. There you go. That's all you need to do. Now I'll get a spoon. First of all, I'm going to break the egg a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, like this. And then roughly mix them together first. Okay, so you get about, and not too be right. And now I'm going to bring the whisk. This one, the small one, will work perfectly well. So here we go. Okay, so my mixture of pancake is about right. So this is what it should look like. Now the next step will be the cooking. So what I normally do is I put my bowl of mixture here, and I'm going to use this spatula or ladle This is the exact measurement for one piece of pancake, so I really like to use this one. And for frying the pancake, you need a non-stick frying pan like this. Make sure you use a plastic spatula for it so you won't scratch the surface of the frying pan, of course. And I already prepared some cooking oil here and a little spoon. 1 spoon of this should be enough for one pancake. So each time I fry a pancake, I'll pour in 1 spoon of oil and preheat it. I'm going to show you soon. You will need the help of an adult for turning on the gas. Okay, so here we go. First thing to do is turn on the gas. Now the heat should be about medium heat, not too low, not too high. If it's too high, it will burn the pancakes. If it's too low, it will take very long time to fry them. Right, so what I'm going to do is put 1 spoon, for the first one maybe it can be 2 as well, of oil. So I'm going to spread it out like that. There we go. Wait for a while till the oil heats up. At the same time I can turn on the vent. There will be a little smoke or steam coming out from the pan, so better to get it away, otherwise you'll be so hot in. So what I'm going to do first of all, so I take 1 spoon like this of pancake mixture. You can make sure it drips off as much as possible. Then I pick up the pan with the hot oil in it, bring it close, put this over and pour the mixture into the pan. You can move it around a little bit to make it a little bigger piece, and then I'm going to put it back to the stove like this. So here we go. So how do you know when to turn the pancake? Well, the surface of the pancake starts to have bubbles in it. Bubbles will come up. They are very close to it, so I bring my spatula, I hold the frying pan like this, and I go under the piece of pancake like this, and then with 1 confident motion I flip it over like this. There you go. So our first piece of pancake is already almost ready. Gets a nice lovely golden color. It takes only a few seconds, actually, less than maybe a minute for the pancake to fry. I never actually measured it, how long it is. Okay, so the second side should be somewhat faster than the first side, of course. You can flip it back again and see whether if it's good enough already. Well, that looks kind of golden color to me already, so this should be about right. No need to fry them too much and burn the pancakes. So I just take it out and put it on the plate. Our first piece of pancake is done. There you go. Okay, so carry on. So 1 more spoon of oil. Put it in, move it around a little bit to let it spread, and then prepare the next spoon of pancake mixture. So you pick it up like this, let it drip a little bit. During that, the oil is preheating in the pan. Now bring it closer like this, put it over, pour it in, and make a little circular motion around like this, tilting the pan left and right a little bit so it spreads out nicely and evenly. That's all you really need to do. And of course right away it starts bubbling already. Second piece and so on should fry faster than the first one, of course. If you find it a little too fast, you can always adjust the power of the gas, lower or higher. If it fries too fast, like this for example, you can see it's already a little darker than it should be. So what I will do is I will lower the gas a little bit. Okay. You can press a little bit like this with the spatula. once it becomes smoother and more even. And then when you think it's about right, you flip it back on, check the color. Maybe that's still a little pale, so I put it back on for a few more seconds. I usually like to count the seconds from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Actually, that's a little too much already, so I take it out and stack it on the previous piece. There you go. So now we have 2 pieces of pancake done. You can turn off the gas. Make sure you have gas. Thank you. I'll close that. And that's all. So this is what my pancakes look like. I think they look lovely. So all I need now is wait them to cool a little bit and then serve them. I'm going to eat them with banana and honey this time. You eat with whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed my little cooking video and you can do something similarly delicious, easy snack for yourself. I really would like to see your videos or photos that you do for cooking at home. So thank you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you've seen. And I'll see you again next time in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.